In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a passkey so you can log into your Booking.com account faster and more securely. This is super helpful if you have a long password and don't want to keep typing it every time. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your Booking.com account. Once you're in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a profile icon there. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to navigate to My Account. This is where you can manage all your personal settings and preferences related to your Booking.com account. Once you've clicked on My Account, go ahead and scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Manage Account. This area is packed with a variety of settings, but your focus should be on the security settings. That's where we're headed next. Click on Security Settings and you'll find yourself in a place that's all about ensuring your account's safety. In the Security Settings section, you'll notice an option for Passkey. This feature is designed to let you access your account without having to enter your full password each time. How convenient is that? What you need to do next is simply click on Set Up Passkey. Booking.com will then take you through a straightforward verification process by sending you a code. This code is essential as it verifies that it's really you trying to make these changes. Once you receive the verification code, enter that code in the provided space to complete the setup. It should only take a couple of seconds, and after that, your passkey will be all set up, adding an extra layer of convenience and security to your Booking.com logins. Now, I want to mention that for this demonstration, I won't actually create a passkey, as this is just a sample account. But you've now seen the entire process, and as you can tell, it's quite simple and fast. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a passkey to your Booking.com account, making your future logins both quicker and more secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful and easy-to-follow tutorials from Drew Tutorial. We love sharing tips and tricks to make your digital life more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy booking!